So what's on the bench today? We've got some Velcro. Yes, indeed, Velcro. You remember Velcro? It's still around. It's got pieces that are fuzzy, and it's got other pieces that aren't fuzzy that have like little hooks, and the little hooks snag the fuzzy stuff, and it is strong stuff. So this is what I'm used to. Two different kinds: the strips with the fuzziness on it, and the strips with the little hooks on it. And this particular thing, these are kind of hot melted together, so you can make it into a band for putting cables together, right? So I was tidying up the garage, and I wanted more Velcro things to tidy up a bunch of cables that I've got. And this is kind of big. This is maybe good for certain things, but I wanted the little ones, right? So I went to Target. Target had these things, and you get a roll of them. And let me see if I can peel one off here. You get these cable straps, right? Now, this is also by the Velcro company, Official Velcro. But what I noticed is there's no longer the hook kind and the fuzzy kind. It's all one kind. It's hook on one side and fuzzy on the other side. So they have figured out how to do it all in one. And then when you wrap one around the other, it's also extremely good. In fact, I think it's better than the old stuff. But it doesn't seem to be very fuzzy at all. This is like really big fuzzy, and this is like super, super tiny. And the hooks don't really feel like hooks. They just kind of feel like a smooth plastic. And I was fascinated by this new invention. I'm sure it's been around for decades, but I just caught my eye. So let's look under the microscope. The old Velcro, the fuzzy is pretty self-explanatory, but the little hooks are basically plastic fibers that somehow are sheared after they've made a bend. So they make a 75% of the way around, and then they get cut. So I don't know what fancy machine is able to cut those loops so it leaves behind a hook. So that's pretty clever. All right. Now these new things, the hooks are actually double hooks. It's like there's strips of plastic with little molded hooks. So imagine the machine that has to mold those little hooks. And then they faced in opposite directions. So you can pull in one direction or pull in the other direction, and you're guaranteed a hook. They're not going to work good side to side, but for a cable tie, you're always pulling in one direction. So anyway, I just thought it was fascinating. I had never really thought of it before, and there you go. Maybe it's something you already knew about, but I found it fascinating. So yeah, so there you go. Will the new hooks go into the old Velcro? Yes, they do. Look at that. And will the old hooks go into the new fuzz? Yes, they will. So there you go. They're backwards compatible.